Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. This is going to be the first love read actually for this month, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see Libra, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection now. My angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. Okay, Libra, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual cards, action cards, etc. But for the duration of the reading, Libra, on one side, this side I'm going to be calling person A, this side I'll be calling person B. If this is your storyline, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So Libra, person A and person B. Bottom of my deck I have the Magician in reverse. Now most of you know what a magician in reverse is, right? A bit of a trickster. Creates illusions, manipulates, creates illusions. Not the best kind of person to have an honest relationship with, I would say. But let's see. From what person A and person B. Let me just take a look at the cards for a second. Okay, so person A feels somebody has walked away. Somebody has walked away or they walked away, but they do want a renewal of this connection. They want a restart of this connection. But the other person, I think they also wanted another cycle of with person A, but at the moment they feel, I don't think that's a very good idea. This person has turned out to be a bit of a trickster. I'm not sure whether I want to have anything new with them again. They've been fooling me all this while. They've been a trickster in my life. So let's see where the story goes, Libra. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first. Okay, just give me a second. 1 second. Sorry Libra, there was an urgent call I had to take, had to pause the video, but let's start now. Let's do some dialogue message cards between the two of you. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first. Libra and their person, spirit. One more. Libra and their person. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Libra from here. Libra and their person. And Libra, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Alright Libra, let's start your reading. The first card here says, I just have other responsibilities to take care of. I have other things on my mind other than you. My God, both cards are saying the same thing. When you left me, I felt like it was because you did not think I was good enough. It's sometimes hard to keep the faith when you're taking so long to commit. I intuitively know that we will unite in divine timing. I realize that I do want you in my life. Is it too late? Maybe when one person was ready to take this relationship forward, the other person had too many things to do, too many other responsibilities, and they may have disregarded their partner, and their partner left. But now they're saying, I've realized that I do want you in my life. Is it too late? I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. Alright, Libra, these were some of your messages. If they resonated with your storyline, Oh, I have two more. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. So, still connecting, maybe telepathically or in the 5D world. I wasn't ready for our connection. Yes, I think at the time when you guys did meet, one person had too many responsibilities, their mind was all over the place, and they weren't ready. And maybe because of that, that person walked away and said, hey, if you don't have time for me, well, I'm off. Now they are remembering them in songs and dreams. So let's start with the energy. No, first I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this reading and then we'll start the clarifications. So my angels for Libra, commitment. It's all about the commitment, right? So maybe now somebody does want to commit. Okay. Person A, why do you feel the 8 of Cups? Why is that on your mind? 8 of Cups. What's this 8 of Cups? Okay. And what's the Judgment card for you? Why do you feel this way? What's the Judgment card for you, Libra? Or person A? I don't know which side you're on, so... Okay, so Libra, person A is heavily thinking about maybe their partner walked away from them, right? They feel they've been dropped now, very, very depressed at the moment in hermit mode. They're totally by themselves, and now that they've had some time to feel the loss of their partner walking away, this person is kind of feeling really sad. And the sadder they're feeling, the more they're recognizing that, oh my God, I really, really tricked myself out of the biggest love of my life. This was our overall energy as well, right? The Magician in reverse. So somebody in their stubbornness or their need to control everything, they lost out probably the biggest love of their life, and they've done it to themselves. Now they are wishing, hoping to get another chance or a rebirth of this connection. One more card, Spirit, for how they're feeling. Yes, they don't want this to end. They want one more go around. And both of you mirroring each other. The other person also has the World in reverse, but maybe for different reasons. We'll go on to them later. But for person A, that this World in reverse means they want a second chance. They don't want to shut this chapter down. God, please give me one more chance. I have fooled my own self by refusing the biggest love of my life and allowing them to walk away. That's how person A is feeling. So why are they feeling this way, Spirit? What happened in the recent past for them to feel this way? The Moon. What's the Moon card for them, Spirit? What did they do? What happened? Okay. Well, they lied to themselves, I would feel. They lied to themselves or to their person. They were emotionally, I think, overwhelmed when they met person B, who was an Empress. Maybe they were not used to a connection like this. And when they came across this Empress, they realized, my God, I mean, this is too good to be true. But maybe their mind was elsewhere, maybe in third parties, that doesn't always have to be other women, men, could be their work. Maybe they were trying to stabilize their job or work or whatever other stuff they had going on. I have other things on my mind other than you. So they tried to kind of block out the thoughts of this Empress. And that probably came across as the fact that they didn't want to commit to this Empress, right? And ended up breaking their heart. They never put in the work to stabilize or commit to this Empress. 8 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 8 of Pentacles in reverse. 8 of Pentacles in reverse. They may have shown no commitment to person B. They may have even shown that I have just another option to me, just a lover, or I have others. I'm not willing to make any choice or put in any work in this connection, may have made their empress feel like they were in competition of some sort, may have just been very hard and, used their head over heart to say that it's just a lustful connection and you don't mean anything to me. And that kind of may have made person B feel like a loser. Like, what's the point? My person is always trying to put me down instead of valuing our connection. And this empress, I think, turned her back and walked away from the connection. It's this empress who walked away, who was not valued in the past, because person B was very analytical, very maybe, head over heart, and treating this connection as just of something of no importance. So how does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit? 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Why do they feel that's this way? Why do they see it this way? Well, they see this Empress as their equal counterpart, as the person that they wish to marry now, the person who is loving, kind, nurturing, the kind that you marry. They see this Empress as the Queen of Pentacles, as somebody who makes them incredibly happy. They do want to heal this connection now, but they feel they've lost their chance. 10 of Pentacles in reverse. They feel they had everything going for them, a harmonious, joyous, beautiful connection with a perfect person, and it's over. So Knight of Wands in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. It's really frustrating this person. It's really frustrating this person because they feel, yes, when it has said frustrating, the Knight of Swords came out in reverse. This person is very frustrated because they don't know now how to move forward, how to express their passions to person B, because they feel they've already destroyed it. 10 of Cups in reverse, 10 of Pentacles in reverse. They went the wrong direction. They went towards the things which were maybe not as important for the long haul. Now they're recognizing my future of abundance forever, emotional happiness forever was with this Queen of Pentacles, and I've destroyed it. So person B is feeling rather foolish and frustrated now that there is no way that they can find that happiness once again with person B. What action they'll take, I'll open later. Libra, let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. So it was a matter of commitment, like my angel said, and person A maybe didn't commit when the time was right. So person B, the World in reverse. Why is your World in reverse here? What are you holding on to? Well, person B says, I really didn't want to shut this chapter down on them, but they gave me zero emotional happiness. None of my wishes came true with them. So then what? How else are you feeling? Well, person B says, I had no option but to release this connection. I had no option but to release them totally. They didn't bring any happiness to my life. There was no sense of celebration, no sense of coming together. I suspect there were third parties as well, and as much as I didn't want to let them go, I really wanted to have something with this person. They did nothing for me. They made no wishes come true of mine. So person B feels that they were fooled in this connection. Yes, they were always left stressing out, having sleepless nights, wondering, wishing, hoping for person A to level up and become their King of Pentacles. Right? So person A feels person B is their Queen of Pentacles, and person B had always seen them as their King of Pentacles, but always stressed and worried, when are they going to level up? When will they become this and come and take charge of this connection and do the right thing? But I don't think that ever happened. Right? So person B with a heavy heart, I think, has kind of released them. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person B to have made such a decision? 3 of Pentacles. What's this 3 of Pentacles? 3 of Pentacles. think in the recent past, I think person B did try and return, did try and make this work, but no, it didn't work out. Judgment in reverse. It really didn't work out. They felt this is not going to go anywhere. Maybe they felt that person A was putting them into competition or third parties or something like that. Person A was doing that, right? So person B decided, hey, I'm going to take charge of my own life. I'm not going to stick around somewhere where none of my dreams are ever going to come true. So I think person B is the one who could have kind of suddenly leveled up and said, I'm good, I'm going to go after my own work, my own progress, my own life, and I'm going to take care of myself. Where I am, I'm dropping all this. None of my dreams are coming true here. The star in reverse. Yes, I think person B went into self-love. They put a lid on this cup of love, which they were freely, I think, giving at one point to person A. They said, no, I'm saving all this love for myself now. I'm going into self-love. All you do is bring drama to my life. You're a player, you're an inconsistent person, and you're not doing the right thing. You're going in the wrong direction. So I'm going to go on my path now, and I'm taking all my love with me. So how does person B now feel about the connection, Spirit? Person B, Four of Cups in reverse. Well, they feel that person never offered them anything. They put them into depression, never offered them anything, lied to them, never offered any exciting brand new beginning, didn't clear the air with them about what's happening, left them in limbo, just ignored them for so long. And person B says, hey, you know what, I've picked up my sword now, I have my boundaries up now. Guess what, now it's my turn, I'm holding back. I don't want them back in my life. I'm going to protect myself. Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Yes, person B feels I'm not going to stay in this depression, sadness, waiting for them to do something. If they can't make up their mind, I'm making it for them. If they cannot, they are going to be confused all the time. I'm going to remove myself from this equation and get out of this confusing, connection by making a choice to choose me. I'm holding back, so that's one less responsibility for them to take care of. Okay. All right, so let's see how if there's any action coming towards both of you, or if you're going to take any action. And yes, this is my time to request you, Libra, since you're here and listening, something must have resonated. If you can just push that like button, it really makes me happy to know how many of you I'm resonating with. And also it helps the videos to circulate, so that would be a big favor. And newbies, don't forget to push that notification bell if you are subscribing. Your next video will be on Friday, but I do post random surprise videos as well, so don't miss out on those. So action person A intends to take is the Justice card. Libra, that is your card. Are you on person A's side? Why is the Justice card here as action? Four of Pentacles, okay. Okay, one more. Four of Justice. One more. Star. Okay, they are wishing and hoping. They do want to do the right thing here, Libra. Person A does want to do the right thing. They are still holding on very tight to this connection. I don't think this person wants to let it go. And they've also been getting their intuitive hits. They are also recognizing that person B is a very important, maybe soulmate to them. They want communication. They want some fast forward communication. I don't know whether they are going to bring it or they are wishing for person B to communicate with them. I'll have to clarify that. So why is this an action, Spirit? Are they going to communicate or are they waiting? They are waiting. Look at this. They are ready to do everything correct, bring justice to it, to do the right thing, maybe even commit. All they want is some communication to begin, and they are wishing, praying, doing everything in their power so that person B will communicate to them first. Still holding on, waiting. So I don't think they're taking any action, but they are waiting for some line of communications to open. So person B, they've again put the onus back on you. Will you take any action to go towards person A? King of Swords. All right. So why is that an action? Why is that an action, person B? Ace of Swords, King of Swords, Judgment. One more. And the Queen of Pentacles. I think you're both mirroring each other again. Person B feels, well, they have to be strong enough to come and speak their truth. I'm sitting pretty, taking care of me. I know I'm the Queen of Pentacles. That's exactly how person A was seeing them as well. And yes, I'm going off for a brand new beginning, a rebirth of my life. But well, depends on them. If they have it in them to come and speak their truth, have an honest conversation with me, we'll see. So does that mean you are also not taking any action? Or will you? Person B, will you take any action? Page of Swords. One more. Somewhere I think person B doesn't believe it. Somewhere they believe it's not. Yeah, they feel they're being very cautious basically. I think person B is also being very cautious. They feel even if my person does come back, I don't know, Libra, they are going back and forth in their mind. They're trying to figure it out. How can I tell you what they're trying to figure out? This person B is kind of still trying to get information, knowledge about, is this really my emperor, a true emperor, or are they still manipulating me? This is really kind of putting a lot of pressure on person B to believe whether this is truly their Ten of Pentacles or not. Will it again burden them and put them under pressure as it did in the past, or is it divine timing to be together? I think person B is in a very happy state at the moment. They are radiating sunshine in their own life. They don't want anything to mess it up at the moment. So they are doing that research, it seems. So that I'm going to ask you once again, person B, any action from your end? Any action from your end? No. Ten of Wands again. They're holding back. They're more scared than they believe. Ten of Wands, Ten of Wands, and then holding back. Right? So half their mind feels, yes, this has the potential of the Ten of Pentacles. This could be my emperor. This could be the person who can give me lots of happiness. But what if they come back as a King of whatever, cups in reverse, and again emotionally manipulate me? I can't repeat this cycle one more time. I'm so tired. I can't do this again. And I'd rather hold back and just be happy by myself. So that's what's going on between the two of you. I think person B is still not clear. They're seeking clarity. They are looking for that truth, that clarity, and they're hoping that person A would come and somehow clear it out with them. Where person A is concerned, they do want to clear things out, but they're so scared that they are not being able to be the first ones to communicate. Well, we both kind of sitting here then, both trying to control the outcome. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time, then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.